Taking my garbage out, and look what I came outside to. I'm actually in the parking lot of my apartment complex in Texas City, Texas. And look at this light show I'm getting over here. Is that not spectacular or what? That's all lightning, folks. Didn't even know this was happening until I came out here. I was taking my trash out and got this for a pleasant surprise. What's funny is it's staying consistent in one location, and it's not over my head by any stretch of the imagination, as you can see by the angle of the camera. Is that not incredible or what? That is awesome. Not even the 4th of July and I'm already getting firework display. A little more angle there, getting a little more bright. Oh, that was a good one. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's amazing how it's just concentrated in one area. Almost looks like there's some kind of an electrical issue somewhere, but it's actually just it's a heat lightning or the humidity lightning or something. Oh wow, the streaks are just incredible. That's probably about 3 or 4 blocks from my house, and above me, I've got starry skies. Unbelievable. Look at the way it's lighting up the sky. Texas weather is nothing short of unbelievable. Like I said, 3-4 blocks away is a thunderstorm going on, and right above my head I got stars in the sky. No clouds, nothing. And it's like all concentrated in that one area. I mean, I just turn my head 30 degrees to the left, 30 degrees to the right, there's nothing. It's just a concentrated location right there. The Lord works in mysterious ways, I'm telling you. Wow. Let me relocate to a different spot in my parking lot here. See. Make sure the telephone poles aren't covering up anything. Wow. That is insane. Lights up the sky, streak lightning. I mean, you're running the full gamut here. Holy crap. That is just crazy. I'm not going to zoom in on it because I want to be able to get as much of the lightning in the screen as possible. But, I mean, this is just some crazy, crazy stuff here. Amazing how you have a lightning storm going on 4 blocks away from where you're standing, and you look straight up in the sky and you're seeing stars. Unfathomable. Man, I could film this all night. Oh, look at that. That lit up the sky. It can be very scary, yet so beautiful at the same time. Gotta go, guys. Talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.